Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Emasis. Today's video we shall be looking at the top 5 common mistakes people make on their resume or CV. Like these are mistakes you make or accidental mistakes you make. Sometimes you do them willingly, sometimes it's you who knows. So like one of the first mistake is using the orthodox spellings. When I say orthodox spelling is like shortening of words, like you tend to shorten your words. Shortening words that you forget to use uh, in your CV or resume. For example, you may decide to ignore the spelling of good, G O O D, and use G U D. Or even okay, instead of using okay, then you say K. You get. So all these mistakes, all these mistakes in your CV can cost you big. And if maybe you find yourself in a position where you have made such a spelling error, you can either replace it or remove it in your CV. Then the second mistake is repetition of words. Repeating words. If some keep repeating the same sentence over time to increase word count. It is not by the number of words written in your CV. It's how it is how you are able to express your values and expertise, even if it's short and concise. So repetition makes it look like you don't know what you want. So we have repetition of words. So if you keep on repeating the same sentence over and over to increase word count or to make your CV papers increase, it's not by the number of words written in your CV, but it's how able you are to express your values and expertise. Uh, in You can be short and precise, concise. So repetition makes it look like you don't know what you want. Then the other mistake people make is using generic statements. So like when you're using a generic statement, most of the times you reach out to friends and you kind of get their CV, then you change the bio data, then most like it's not like that's not your own information, but you always you want it to look like the other person. All the statements we quote they sound better when we read them from other people's CVs, so we try to pick those ones and bring them back to our own statement, and that also kind of affects our CV. Because if you reach to an interview and you can't explain some of these terms, it kind of becomes tricky for you. Then the other error is spelling and grammar or grammatic error. So they're saying that please take time to proofread, that is going through your CV, to avoid spelling mistakes and errors. I've said it several times that you can use spell check apps. Yeah, you can use some of these apps. For example, you have Grammarly and some others to be on a safer side. Even at that, you should go over it yourself to be sure you wrote the right thing. Then the last one, it can also be a mistake people make on their resume. So having a low CGP or grade. If you feel like your CGP is not good, why should you include it on your CV? Adding your educational history and course of study is enough if your grade is not good. That's like the education background. You can answer other questions at the interview. I think that's better. You can only add your CGP or grade if it is good. or if it's a good one, as it can boost your chances of getting the job. But low grade, I can't advise on that. The goal is to get a good job at a good company with a good pay. But if you are not doing the right thing, that might slow your journey to pursuing your career in the corporate world. So otherwise, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye.